Hello everyone, it's Joshua here today with another video course titled Stop Entry Orders. Check this. Stop Entry Orders. In today's video course, you will learn about stop entry orders. A stop order stops an order from executing until price reaches a stop price. You would use a stop order when you want to buy only after price rises to the stop price, or sell only after the price falls to the stop price. In our previous video course, I talked about the buy limit order, okay? Or I talked about the limit order. In this video course, we are talking about the stop entry order. They're kind of different. Take note, guys. On the right hand side of our screen, we can see the buy stop. The blue dot represents our current price in the forex market. Okay? The buy stop simply means order placed above price and price keeps going up. So if the market is at the blue dot and our entry would be above the market price, a future price that we believe the market will move to, as in the case of upward, which is buy or long. The opposite is the same for sell stop. Considering the blue dot as the current price of the market and then the red line as our entry, in this case is our stop entry order. Okay? A stop entry order is an order placed to buy above the market or sell below the market at a certain price. This is what I just explained. Now, when it comes to the buy stop, you place a buy stop order to buy at a price above the market price, and it is triggered when the market price touches or goes through the buy stop price that you have set for yourself. The opposite is in case for sell stop. You place a sell stop order to sell when a specific price is reached. Okay? In the image on your right, the blue dot is the current price. Notice how the green line is above the current price. If you place a buy stop order here, which is on the green line, in order for it to be triggered, the current price would have to continue to rise to the green line or even above. Okay, that's the case for the buy stop. Now, for the sell stop, notice how the red line is below the current price. If you place a sell stop order here on the red line, what this means, in order for it to be triggered, the current price would have to continue to fall down. Okay? Fall below the red line or exactly at the red line for it to trigger your sell stop order. Alright? As you can see, a stop order can only be executed when the price becomes less favorable to you. Okay, let's take an example. For example, we have the USD card. It's currently trading at 1.2692 and is heading upward. Okay, take a look at the image on your right. Today is 13th of September 2021 as I'm doing this video. This is the current chart of the USD card on the 1 hour on your smartphone. The current price of USD card is showing 1.2692. Now, you can set, and the market is moving upward. You can decide to set your stop entry order if you believe that the price will continue to move in the direction to go and touch 1.2730. You can decide to set a stop entry order as buy if that is what you believe. So this is a practical example of the stop entry order. Okay, you can do one of the following to play this belief of yours. Now take note, guys, your belief shouldn't just be something you just wake up and say, oh, I believe this market will go up or go down. No, you should have a strategy. You should have your reason, okay, why you are entering the market for either a buy or a sell. Okay, in our future video course, I'm going to be teaching you guys different trading strategy that you can apply to your belief and make it work for you over time. Okay, you can do one of the following to play this belief. One, you either sit in front of your computer or your smartphone and buy at market when it hits 1.2730, or you set a stop entry order to buy at 1.2730. Okay, if you have other things you're doing in your life or other activities, and you might not be there when the market might get to 1.2730 and you want to buy at 1.2730 because you believe the market will continue to buy thereafter. If that is your belief, you can set a stop entry order to buy at 1.2730. So you see, these are the benefits of understanding how to use the stop entry order. Okay? There are a lot to talk about on the topic of orders in Forex. However, in the course of our learning and in our future video courses, we will discuss more on stop loss order. Okay? Take note, guys, in our next video course, we will learn about what exactly are the different stop loss orders in the forex market and much more. So stick with us on this YouTube channel. There are quite a number of things you would learn with us for free by sticking with us on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video course, I guess you know what to do, right? Please subscribe, like, and share this video course. Share this video with someone that is interested in learning how to trade forex. Like the video. When you do this, it encourages us to put out more of such content. Okay? If you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button below and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell, which is the bell icon by the subscribe button. When you turn on the post notification bell, the benefit is each time we upload a new video course regarding our forex training, you will be the first to be notified. Once again, thanks for watching this video course to the end. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Alright? My name is Joshua, and you can always contact me on my Telegram channel, or you can join my Telegram channel. Okay? For more Forex videos and lessons, more Forex video courses and lessons, please subscribe to my Telegram channel. That's my Telegram channel handle on the screen. That's my Facebook page and my Twitter handle. One of the benefits why you should join this Telegram channel that is free is you get to see my daily trade Monday to Friday, how I enter the market, how I buy, how I sell, how I analyze the market, and how I make profit or how I make losses. So you can copy my trade signals if you like. And another reason why you should join this Telegram channel is you get to see my Forex video courses and other lessons that I have uploaded in the past or I am yet to upload. You get to see them on the Telegram channel. Telegram is so unique that you can see the conversation of previous activities prior to your joining. So it's amazing. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel for more information. Once again, my name is Joshua. One love. Peace out. See you in my next video course. Bye bye.
Investment is a security for the future. Visit www.bpclass.net and be taught how to invest wisely on the internet and make profit. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel.